Everyone, and this is WTI. All right, let's get right into it. So, first off, I said this gap is gonna get covered, it's gonna get closed, okay? But it's just a matter of time, right? And I've been meaning to take a buy trade for a while now. However, I missed an entry around this area. Okay, I missed an entry around that because I was waiting for a break above this structure. Actually, that was not the place I wanted to say break. So let me see if I can actually adjust that. Okay, so this is the obvious resistance right there. Okay, so the plan is to wait for what? Wait for a retest. Okay, back to this zone and then see if I can get an entry to the upside. Okay, this is what I call counter trend. All right, you can see there is a trend line I've actually drawn all the way from the top right here. Okay, and it's a very good trend line. However, I'm thinking, all right, that is actually a thought. Okay, I'm thinking this gap is gonna get filled and I don't want to miss out. Okay, so this push to the upside, if it's properly retested and pull back to this area and it formed a chart pattern, maybe a double bottom or maybe a flag pattern, something of sort, okay, I might look into buying and I will be targeting this area. Okay, and the first thing is I'm gonna be risking very little on this trade, very small. Okay, because it's not the kind of trade I always look forward to. I don't have a strategy for that, for trading a gap kind of kind of setup. Okay, because the reason why I'm actually taking that buy is because number one, there's been an extension. Okay, this is a whole lot of extension without a proper pullback. Okay, since right here the market move jumped down in like plus 400 pips. Okay, without any pullback. Okay, and that is why I really want to take this buy trade. Okay, at least to get a cover to this area or maybe to this area, or if peradventure we can get all the way back to this zone. Okay, so if I don't get to any of this, okay, if it's just even half, that would be a very good thing because you know how long I've been waiting for this breakout. Okay, but now it happened, I was not there, so I'm thinking maybe there's a way to compensate myself, but I will still be very careful with this and I will actually risk very little just in case it didn't play out my way. But who said I can't take that risk? Okay, because come on, there's a possibility of that, of this happening, and then we might see the continuation of this bearish momentum. Okay, so there's a possibility of that, and that's what I will be looking forward to, and I will be gunning for. All right, so the plan is actually very simple. Wait for a retest of this resistance zone. Okay, once it's done, the next thing is what? Wait for a push to the upside. Okay, once it is done, just do what? Then anything that happens above here, okay, at this junction right here, then we wait. Okay, we might get a break to the upside. Okay, maybe if it happens, I'll take some buy and we can get a rebound. Okay, all the way to the downside. If this happens as well, I'm gonna take it right here. Okay, this is where I'm gonna take the trade. Okay, and if this happens to play out this way, I'm gonna take the trade right there. Okay, after the break or after the break, after the breakout has been pulled back and then the continuation candle now start forming up, that's when I will look for a trade. Okay, on WTI though. Okay, aside that, I'm not sure there's any other thing to do on WTI for now. Okay, and if this pullback failed to come, I will just have to watch it go up again, you know, like this, and like this. Okay, I won't take it unless there's a pullback. If there's no pullback, I'm not going to take the trade. Okay, it's as simple as that. So I'm going to catch you tomorrow, guys. Just stay close to this. Okay, there's a possibility of this gap getting filled. There's a possibility of that. So we're going to see how it plays out. It will happen today or maybe tomorrow, but either way, you have to just be patient enough. If you are patient enough, we're going to see how it all falls into place. Okay, so bye for now. Gonna catch you tomorrow. Bye bye.